Hey, morning, guys.
Good morning. Okay, dear students, let's start our lesson. Today, bugünümüzün mavzumuz weather, yani ob-havo.
Yağmur aldı bugün.
Rainy day.
Yes.
O'zbekistonning soatiga o'rtanmiz. Metr sekundiga
Okay. Prepare your books, workbooks, and student books, and open your student books.
Masiki.
Student books. Page number.
O'qilma. Javob bersangiz gaplashmaysan.
Student books, page number 31. 31 bet. Student bookda 31 betni hamma ochsin. Okay, before we start our lesson, let's play one interesting warm-up game. Yani ders boshlanishdan oldin darsga kirishib olish uchun bitta qiziqarli o'yin o'ynaymiz.
Men o'ynayman.
Hamma o'ynaydi, hamma. Hamma. Yo'q, partani ustida tursin, partani ustida tursin. Keling. Sizlar ikkalasini hamma qog'ozni partani o'rtasiga qo'yib qo'ysin. Partani o'rtasiga. Partani o'rtasiga. Hamma endi o'rnidan turadi. Just stand up, please. Hamma o'rnidan tursin. Yo'q. Listen me carefully. Mana diqqat berishinglar. Hozir men sizlarga tanazzullar uchun masalan aytaman. Touch your eyes desam ko'zinglarga tegasizlar yoki touch your ears quloq. Oxiridagi orada touch the paper desam men ikkita odamdan bittasi sразу olish kerak. Oyog'i odam yutadi. Tushunyapsizmi? Hamma tushunadi. Hamma uchun. Hamma o'rtaga. Okay, guys, listen me carefully. Demek başladık. Touch your hair. Okay. Touch your hand. Touch your eyes. Touch your shoulder.
Eyes, baby.
Touch your leg. Leg. Touch the paper. Okay, so
Yaqin turmas. Aql turmas.
Okay. Okay. Just stand up. Stand up, please. Touch your head. Paper. Touch your hand.
Yes, sir.
Touch your shoulder. Touch the hair. Touch the paper. Okay, guys. Stand up. Go sit down, please. Demak, kitobimiz o'ttirinchi. Bo'ldi, hamma qarasin. Kitobni o'ttirinchi betida jadval berilgan. Jadvalda bo'ldi. Jadvalda bizga noun, ya'ni otlar va adjektiv sifatlar berilgan. Buni o'tganlar
Aylanmiz. O'tgan dars bo'ldi. O'tgan dars volleybol bo'ldi-ku.
Who can tell me the today's lesson? Eshitilar.
Yeşiller, biz okumuz gitti.
Bugungi ob-havo haqida kim ayta oladi? Today's weather. Demak, today.
Quyoshli juda.
Today
Faqat elektr
is
chiqib keladi.
snowy.
The weather is.
Snowy.
The weather is. Ya'ni
Soyabetlarga qaramay topayapsiz.
ya'ni siz aytdingiz.
Eshitinglar, mana.
Today the weather is. The weather is
Cold.
no
Rainy.
rainy. Rainy. Narakim. Rainy'dan boshqa buncha sovuq desak.
Sabitga tashlab ketma ki, patdan tagiga.
Tuman ozgina cold emas, cold.
Bobur. Daspat qilmashini.
Cold and yes, cloudy. Yanachi. Cloudy, yes. Rainy. Ertalab ozgina qor yog'di.
Qor yog'gani rais. Uyingizni soat 4
Ozgina yog'di.
Ovochilar ham bilmadi-ya buni.
Obahochini e'lon qildi.
Foggy desak bo'ladimi? Ya'ni ertalab ertalab havo tumanli bo'lyaptimi? Foggy.
Yo'q, voобще
Ba'zan.
chang bo'lyapti просто.
Sometimes ba'zida havomiz tumanli bo'lyapti.
Havomiz birinchi o'ringa chiqyapti, changligi bo'yicha.
Okey, agar bu mavzuni o'tgan bo'lsangiz bizda activity bajaramiz, ya'ni men sizlarga hozir qog'oz beraman. Bu yerda qanaqadir gaplar yozilgan. Masalan, ob-havoga taalluqli gap. O'sha so'zlarni o'qib, sizlar havo qanaqaligini topishingiz kerak. Masalan, men ingliz yozilgan bo'lishi mumkin. Faqat ingliz tilida, in English. O'shaga qarab, you should guess the weather. Birinchi savol eshitdilar. Birinchi savol
Ne xabar bo'ladi? Ko'mlinga ham olmaydi.
Okay. Demak, birinchi kartochkada you cannot see your way. Ya'ni Quron. Foggy. Mana to'g'ri. Your turn.
Today the weather is cold.
Yozilmagan. You were
You wear coat and jacket. Yes,
you wear sunglasses. Ya'ni havo qanaqa bo'ladi agar quyoshga qarshi ochiq taqsak? Hot. The weather is sunny. The weather is sunny. You feel freezing. Ya'ni sen sovuqdasan deyapti. The weather is cold. Yes. Sizlar you take your umbrella. Sochingni olasan deyapti. The weather is rainy. Yes, the weather is rainy. Yes, you are right.
Просто игру.
Thank you.
Hadi sen doldurun ne çıkar? Burada 15.
Birinchi betida listening parti bor ekan, ya'ni listening bajaramiz.
Bitta barmog'im.
Hozir hamma kitobni hamma
Boburga
qalam
gapirdim.
bilan kitobiga qaraysiz, qalamlarni olib.
Şimdi teginganda
Bilaman, kuchi yetmasligim.
Nima tushundilarmi?
Eshitdilar. Do'sti bilan
Yo, shartini nima tushundilar?
eshitdilar. Peter was on holiday with friends in Scotland last summer. Ya'ni Peter o'rtog'i bilan Skotlandda sayohatda bo'lgan.
Shotlandiya.
Shotlandiya. Yes. They were looking for the Loch Ness monster? Listen, answer the questions. Ya'ni bu yerda savol berilgan. What was the weather like? Ya'ni bu sayohatda bo'lganda ob-havo qanaqa bo'lgan? Shu savol. Hozir listeningda, ya'ni o'sha ob-havo aytadi, o'shani yozishingiz kerak. Tushundinglar? Keyingi qarasangiz fasida 6 ta savol berilgan. O'shalarga javob berish kerak. Tarjima qilib beraymi, o'zingizlar qilasizlarmi?
Tarjima qiling.
Okay. What day of the week was? Ya'ni haftaning qaysi kuni edi o'sha sayohat?
Zaynab, turda boshqa
What did Peter do after he woke up? Peter tug'ilganidan keyin nima qildi? Uchinchisi. What could Peter see on the other side of the lodge? Peter nimani ko'rdi deyapti.
Zafar,
Keyingi savolga Peter demak bo'ldi. Kitobga qarasa musining boshlaymiz. Keyin birgalikda tekshiramiz.
My friend Ollie and I were on holiday in Scotland. We were camping in a field near Loch Ness. I was hoping to get a photo of Nessie, the Loch Ness monster. I know everyone wants to take one, but you never know. So, that morning, it was a Wednesday, I remember, I woke up first. It was early. It wasn't raining, but there was fog over the water. I was watching the loch. The fog was getting thinner and thinner, and then I could see across the loch to the trees on the other side. Suddenly, I saw something in the water. Nessie, at last! The Loch Ness monster! I shouted to Ollie to bring the camera. Right, just a minute, he said. Quickly, I called. By the time he arrived with the camera, it was foggy on the loch again, and couldn't see anything. Slowly, the fog got thinner, and I was ready to take the photo. Look, Ollie, can you see Nessie? I said to him. He laughed. That's not Nessie, he said. That's a duck. I know Ollie didn't believe me, but I'm sure I really saw something that morning. Back 140. Loch Ness. 1. Loch is the Scottish Gaelic word for lake. Loch Ness is in the north of Scotland, not far from Inverness. The loch is 230 metres deep. It's the second deepest loch in Scotland. 36 kilometres long and nearly 3 kilometres wide. There's more water in Loch Ness than all the water in all the lakes in England and Wales. That's a lot of water for something to hide in. The weather around the loch changes. 1 minute it's sunny, the next it's cloudy. Track 115. My friend Ollie and I were on holiday in Scotland, and we were camping in a field near Loch Ness. I was hoping to get a photo of Nessie, the Loch Ness monster. I know
Yozganlar tekshiring, baho qo'yiladi.